what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a fun song by Third Eye Blind, Jumper. Okay, cool. Standard tuning, let's go. We only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chords, basically. Yeah. Okay, so we got F major. This is the way I play F a lot of times. We don't have to do the bar chord. 2nd fret B, 1st fret B, 2nd fret G, and 3, 3. A string 3, D string 3. And then a C major. 1, 2, 3. G major. 1, 2, 3. Just a regular G. So that's the main verses. No, main chorus. Actually, we got 2 parts: the breakdown and the chorus. So F, 2, 3, 4, C, G. Breakdowns. Let's call that I don't know, it's not a bridge, it's like maybe this is the verse. A minor, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. C major to G, 2, 3, 4. That's when that wah wah is. This time to D7. That's 2, 1, 2. And then 5 hits on C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chorus. Basically have 2 parts. 1, 2. A minor, D7, and 5 hits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go, chorus. Cool. So that's it. 2 parts: F, C, G, and then the verses: A minor, C, G, A minor, C, G, A minor, D7, and then 5 hits. They have a breakdown, like a big breakdown, and that's same chords. That's F, C, G. I'm not sure if it's any guitar there, but probably. Alright, cool. So, thanks guys for tuning in. Fun lesson, easy song, classic song. It's been in a lot of movies and stuff. All right. Peace out. See you tomorrow. Be safe.